According to the Connecticut Department of Transportation, there has been 105,000 what they call fixed object crashes in the past 7 years. Now that's a lot of crashes. And what a fixed object crash is when a car strikes a guardrail, a tree, a stop sign, a lamppost, all these kinds of things that are, well, fixed objects, right? And so we see a lot of fixed object kind of claims where, somebody was a passenger in a motor vehicle and the car struck a guardrail, somebody was a passenger in the motor vehicle and the car struck a tree. And so oftentimes these people get very injured. I mean, it is so we see some really bad injuries when cars hit lampposts. I mean, just the amount of force of the car coming to a sudden stop results in a lot of harm. And well, the claim is always like, well, if you're the driver on this, like if you slid on black ice, you're not going to have any sort of claim. You're going to have to check your coverages to make sure that there's, if there's medical payments coverage, that would be the only thing that would likely help you. But if you're the passenger, you've got two potential pockets of insurance to recover from some damages. The first, under Connecticut law, would be the insurance of the driver. Their coverage would cover you for an underinsured or uninsured motorist accident, or even a third-party claim, but their coverage would protect you for things like medical bills, pain and suffering, lost wages. And also, your insurance coverage, underinsured, uninsured, would protect you as well, where you may be able to make a claim against your own policy to recover damages. And now a lot of people ask, if I make a claim against my policy, is it going to go up? And the answer is no, it is not. Under Connecticut law, it cannot go up because you're not the one who's at fault for the accident. So if you're in one of these fixed object collisions, we see them a lot. You're a passenger, you've been hurt, you're really going to want to contact a Connecticut car accident attorney to make a claim because they can be complicated, the insurance coverages can be complicated, the injuries can be very severe, and if you have any questions, we're here to help. 877-CTF-WINS or 860-471-8333.